So my life has come full circle during the creation of this book. It is now my biggest achievement, but I also wrote it through some of the most challenging times in my life, and all of my prior knowledge, my upbringing, experiences have played a role in the authoring of this book. When I was writing this book, I mostly sat at home with a cup of coffee or tea, and when I was feeling more creative, I would sit with my laptop on the couch in our living room, snuggled with a quilt, and then when I needed to be more focused or I was behind on a deadline, then I would sit at my desk in our bedroom, or I would sit at my desk in my office at our storefront. I am so unbelievably proud to say that I took all the photography for this book. So I photographed everything either at my home or at our storefront. I absolutely love using natural light. So we have these big windows at our store that flood the space. Very grateful for that. And then at home, I would open all the curtains and the doors and make sure all that natural light was coming into the space. I think it really shows off the true colors of the fabrics and the shapes, the details. So I made sure to reserve sunny days in my calendar for taking the photography. I hope you enjoy it. I've written this entire book so you can make the projects and use all the techniques on your home sewing machine. I am truly grateful to have authored this book. I hope that it will inspire you to never stop learning and creating. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my new book.